here's our room. This is a double bed room. It's tiny, so there's not a whole lot left here to show, really, apart from the bed itself. And then you have, this is the bed area. And then on this side here, you have coffee area, TV, and then mirror. And you have other areas for you to store things here. Well, there's a fridge and a safe. Then here you can put your luggage, sit down area to work. And then we're gonna see the bathroom. And here you have the bathroom side with the shower, the long shower. And they give you enough towels. You have 2 cups, a lot of amenities. And then you have here the toilet. It's really cool. And here you also have a mirror, and where you can actually store the clothes. And we have our luggage there. And they give you a ironing board. So yeah, this is our room where we're staying here in London. It's a small room, but I think it fits our family of 4. Not all the time is glamorous.